Quizmaster.
Today, we're going to play a fun game called What's the Beginning Letter? In this game, we will look at different pictures and guess the first letter for it. Let's get ready to play and learn our alphabet together. What's the beginning letter of the word egg? The beginning letter is E. That's right. The word egg begins with the letter E. What's the beginning letter of the word guitar? The beginning letter is G. That's right. The word guitar begins with the letter G. What's the beginning letter of the word zebra? The beginning letter is Z. That's right. The word zebra begins with the letter Z. What's the meaning letter of the word jam? The beginning letter is J. That's right. The word jam begins with the letter J. What's the beginning letter of the word ball? The beginning letter is B. That's right. The word ball begins with the letter B. What's the beginning letter of the word nurse? The beginning letter is N. That's right. The word nurse begins with the letter N. What's the beginning letter of the word lemon? The beginning letter is L. That's right. The word lemon begins with the letter L. What's the beginning letter of the word turtle? The beginning letter is T. That's right. The word turtle begins with the letter T. What's the beginning letter of the word mouth? The beginning letter is M. That's right. The word mouth begins with the letter M. What's the beginning letter of the word watermelon? The beginning letter is W. That's right. The word watermelon begins with the letter W. What's the beginning letter of the word apple? The beginning letter is A. That's right. The word apple begins with the letter A. What's the beginning letter of the word cake? The beginning letter is C. That's right. The word cake begins with the letter C. What's the beginning letter of the word fox? The beginning letter is F. That's right. The word fox begins with the letter F. What's the beginning letter of the word yacht? The beginning letter is Y. That's right. The word yacht begins with the letter Y. What's the beginning letter of the word X-ray? The beginning letter is X. That's right. The word X-ray begins with the letter X. What's the beginning letter of the word owl? The beginning letter is O. That's right. The word owl begins with the letter O. What's the beginning letter of the word kangaroo? The beginning letter is K. That's right. The word kangaroo begins with the letter K. What's the beginning letter of the word rabbit? The beginning letter is R. That's right. The word rabbit begins with the letter R. What's the beginning letter of the word dog? The beginning letter is D. That's right. The word dog begins with the letter D. What's the beginning letter of the word sun? The beginning letter is S. That's right. The word sun begins with the letter S. What's the beginning letter of the word question? That's right. The beginning letter is Q. That's right. The word question begins with the letter Q. What's the beginning letter of the word insect? The beginning letter is I. That's right. The word insect begins with the letter I. What's the beginning letter of the word house? The beginning letter is H. That's right. The word house begins with the letter H. What's the beginning letter of the word umbrella? The beginning letter is U. That's right. The word umbrella begins with the letter U. What's the beginning letter of the word volcano? The beginning letter is V. That's right. The word volcano begins with the letter V. What's the beginning letter of the word pear? The beginning letter is P. That's right. The word pear begins with the letter P. You did an amazing in our alphabet game. Now, you know how to find the beginning letter of many words. Keep practicing every day, and soon you'll be an alphabet expert. See you next time for more fun learning games.